Well, I'm waiting on a air filter right now, so what I want to do next, let's go ahead and get our light on, is just check these new injectors and write down the specs. I'm just going to put one across each tab on resistance. You know what? Why am I fighting this so much? $2,000. Check this out. If you kind of knew the channel, you wouldn't know this, but we gotten into 3D printing. This is a little neat multimeter holder. Let's see if I can get a spot. This whole 3D print world is just amazing. There's so much sharing. You can head over to numerous websites and find free designs, but we were on a Maker World here and we found this, you know, this model here. But check it out. Once you start to kind of look into it, I don't have to design it, I don't have to do anything. I can literally for free download this print because someone cool has shared this. You know, you can get in here and see what it's going to look like, what you're going to do, and then ultimately, you know, you're going to send that to your printer and you're going to print it. What a super rad world. So we are getting pretty addicted to the 3D printing. You want to subscribe to the channel. We're going to be sharing everything we make. We've already made some of our own designs. Super pumped up about that. Made some Harley tools so far. But yeah, subscribe, like, and share. All right, check it out. Let's print one of these. It was printed really for the cheaper, like Harbor Freight ones, but the idea here is now I got little chopsticks to go ahead here. Oh my goodness, so much easier. Steady. Get light back on there. Boom. 2.14. We'll see what the average is. All right, let's go ahead and check these new injectors. Okay, 2 ohms. 2 ohms. 2 ohms. And 2 ohms. All right, head over to ChatGPT because I'm finding this to be pretty dang fast. It's not always perfect, but it sure is a great starting point. So I just threw in there Mazda 3 fuel injector resistance. And you can see here by not putting in the year or the engine, it gave me all kinds of information, right? That's too much for me to decipher. What I would recommend you do is be detailed with ChatGPT. Put the year, make, model, engine size, and everything. But fortunately, I had that at hand and knew what it was. I knew that we had one of these 2 liters. And I also knew it was direct injection. And so 1.6 to 2.5 ohms is a nominal spec for that. Now, just make a point here, you could get way sideways if you went ahead and looked at this first one of 11 to 12. And to be honest with you, when I Googled on the internet, that's the only spec I got. And so when I first tested these, I was like, oh, shoot, these brand new ones are bad. Went back, took that same question, put ChatGPT, and then I got all this information, which was a lot more accurate. So love it or hate it, pretty cool world I think we live in and the access to information, but you decide. Best thing you could do is have a specific service manual for your year, make, and model. All right, we appreciate you watching the video. If you haven't done so yet, head over to our channel to subscribe and then check out all the videos we have in dedicated playlists, restoration projects, diagnostic tools, making tools, fabrication, vapor blasting, 3D printing, building your dream shop, ultrasonic cleaning, tons of stuff in here. This channel is going to be heavily focused on tool reviews and then how to use tools in actual use. There's a chance that people are deciding whether they want to purchase to buy a tool, and we hope that we can help you make that decision because it's a tool that we trust at the Tools for Inch Workshop. All right, we appreciate it. Make it a great day, and we'll see you on the next video.